Hello everyone, I see this. Now let's go to the next 10 kanjis. Okay, so the first one. Okay, the meaning of this kanji is the rain. Yeah. To write it, you start from this horizontal line, and then you write this one, and you start from here and go to the right, and there's a corner, and you go down, and you stop here, and you sweep up in this way. And then you make the center line from here, stop it, and then you make 4 dots. Start from here, here, and then here, here. Yeah, well, I'm sure these 4 dots represent the raindrops. The reading, Chinese style reading is u. Japanese style is ame, which means a rain. Or sometimes it's used as ama. When it's combined with some word, we go ama. Yeah, but that's rare. Okay. Let's go to the next kanji. Okay, this kanji means basically evening. But it's only the early stage of the evening. I mean, not late at night. Probably 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock, maybe. That kind of time range. And to write it, you start from this short sweep, and you start from, in this type 1, it's starting from almost the center. That's not basically correct. You should start from here, or maybe you can go a little bit lower, but anyway, basically start from somewhere around here, and you go down, making a corner here, and you make a short dot here. Okay, Chinese style is seki. Japanese style is yu. All right. Now, third kanji. Well, this one is just a little bit complex. This means basically air, or sometimes atmosphere. To write it, you start from this short sweep to the left, and you start from almost the center, a horizontal line, and second horizontal line that is a little bit shorter than the first one, and then you make the longest one here, and there's a corner, and you go down, curving this way, and you go sweep up here. And after that, you make a cross here, made by starting from this sweep, and then another one that crosses it like that, and you stop here. Okay. Chinese style is ki, and sometimes ke. Well, K is very rare, usually ki, and we don't have any common Japanese style rating for this. Okay. All right, now let's go to fourth one. Okay, this fourth kanji means sound. You start from this short vertical line, and then you make another horizontal line here that touches it, and a short line. Well, it can go a little bit inward, and another one like that. Well, usually this is a sweep. It's pointed, and you make another longer line that barely touches these 2 lines, and below that you make kanji for the sun or the day, which you've already learned. Okay, reading. Chinese style is on, or sometimes in. That is rare. And Japanese style is oto, which means sound. And also ne. Ne means sound too, but a little bit rare usage. Okay. Now, fifth kanji. Well, from here, the 3 kanjis from here are living things, like animals. So the first one, this one means a dog. And it's very similar to the kanji that means big, right? The only difference is that a dot is put on the right top corner. So you actually write kanji for big, and then you put a dot here. That is a dog. Okay, Chinese style is ken. Japanese style, inu, which means dog in Japanese. Okay, now the next one. Okay, this means insect, or more easily, a bug. To write it, you first start from the box, the flat box, like that. Okay, and then you cross it like this. You stop it, and you start from here, going up and sweep, and you make a dot that barely touches it, and you stop it. Okay. Okay, this is in Chinese style reading. It's chu. Well, this kanji, we learned that, was also chu, right? And you just add these two strokes, and that's still chu. So that's how Chinese style reading is, usually. Okay, and Japanese style, it's mushi. Mushi means insect in Japanese, okay? Now, this one, well, the typed one look a little bit strange. It's actually a bit different, but the meaning is shell, but shell can mean too many things. The shell that is seen in shellfish or seashells, that kind of shell, okay? And to write it, first you make a long box like that. But you don't close the box. You have to put two lines in it before that. And then you close it. And after that, you put a small sweep to the left. And then another dot that is a little bit carving and stopping here. Okay? Oh, and actually, we don't have any Chinese style reading for this. And Japanese style is kai, which means shell. Okay? Now, okay, this one means it's not a living thing. It means a village. And you see a kanji component, actually, the left side. This is what you see in kanji for grove, a small forest. So it's a very thin tree. And this part is a very common kanji component. And from here you make another line like this. Well, you can start from a little bit lower than the first horizontal line. And from a little bit to the right, you make a crossing line and you sweep up. And there's a dot somewhere around here. Okay. Chinese style is son. Japanese style is mura, which means a village. Okay. Okay, now the next one. Okay, this one is a little bit bigger than a village. That means a town. Okay, town is made of, well, actually the first part, this part is equal to this kanji that we have later. So maybe I should have swapped the order, but how you write it is you make a box, but before you close it, you make a cross. Start from the vertical and then horizontal, and you close it. And somewhere around here, you start a horizontal line, and from the center, you go down and you sweep up. And that is town, and Chinese style is cho. Japanese style is machi. which means a town or sometimes city. Okay, now the last one. Last one is, okay, the only box that has been in this part. This means rice paddy. Well, rice is very common food in Japan, so that is important for us. So that's why we have a special country for that. And well, it's just a box and a cross. So you start from this line, and you make a corner here. Go down and straight, horizontal, and you close the box. Okay, Chinese style. Then Japanese style. Ta, which means a rice paddy. Okay? So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.